All right, so and able to do this, you have to, you've got to have these schematics. So this one is on that website. Sometimes it's cool, sometimes it only is up for a little bit. So I kind of made copies of these things. This is C1, C2, and C3. This right here is the connector. The C2, for whatever reason, is split on the upper and lower. The pins are identified. And this is the C3 connector. You can kind of trace where everything goes for the most part. It's got all of the sensors. I think that's IAT and blah blah blah. They're here and there. This is where all your hot leads come in, like right here, so you can see everything flow. And so that's a must. You've got to get those first. All right, and then the next super biggie is these are the 4200 Facebook wiki site. This is the p10 to p12, and so these are great references. But you also have to have these. I don't remember where I got these. These might have been wiki also, or these are pretty easy to find. This is just the p10 because that's what that thing was initially. It's a p10. I think I had it so messed up, either I burned it up or it was a bad PCM to begin with. So anyway, that's why I want to hear that thing run. So anyway, this is a good roadmap to have. It's additional to those schematics I just showed on the computer screen. So then you can kind of Google what the connectors mean. They're a little harder to find, but this really gets you far along with this. Trying to figure out where like the low references are. Those were always a pain in the, kind of confusing to find. So you got to get these, you got to print these out, you got to make all kinds of notes, you got to Google what these things are, and come back to them if you don't understand them. All right, so this is the next super biggie. First couple ones I started doing, I just went from the wire to the new P12 connector, and I realized this is going to be too short for one, and it's going to result in being a cluster. So what I did is I just put all these 2-foot extensions on here with all the labels of where these things go. You know, black connector, blue connector, whatever the other one is. And so I'm going to heat shrink all these things out and maybe wrap them and separate them into the three, the C1, C2, C3 connector. So they're neat and clean, bundle them all off, or maybe I'll bundle them all together, I don't know. Might be easier to separate them so I can figure out where they all go and keep it clean. So next thing is I'm gonna shrink wrap all these things. I think my soldering iron is dying, so this might be it for tonight. But I'm gonna shrink wrap all these and maybe organize them into the 3 PCMs and connectors, and separate them with electrical tape and cable hider things, whatever these things are called.